In this video, you will see how to enable macros in LibreOffice Calc on Mac and Windows laptop. It's very easy. On Mac, you first need to click here on the LibreOffice icon. Then click on Preferences. Here you will see the option of LibreOffice. Just click on the drop down and then click on Advanced. Under the Advanced, you will see here the optional features. Right now, as you can see, the enable macros recording is disabled. You just have to tick on this option, then click on apply and OK. Now when we go to the tools option and see the macros, you will see that the record macro has been enabled. On Windows, the options will appear here at the bottom. When you click on the options, you will see this same menu. You just have to go to the advanced option and then click on enable macros recording to turn it on. In this way, you can enable macros quickly in LibreOffice Calc on both Mac and Windows. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos if you want to learn LibreOffice Calc quickly. See you again in the next one.